Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. In today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Hitachi's split AC or Hitachi's inverter AC and it is not doing proper cooling and it is taking too much time to cool down the room, and even though the AC is on you, if you are sweating in the room, then in this video you will get all the information very closely and your AC will work like new. First of all, you lock the gas of AC. There will be no problem of gas in your AC if the gas is locked. Now let me tell you the process of locking the gas. First, turn on the AC, and after the outdoor unit is on, close the valve of the discharge pipe, thin pipe, completely with 4 number Allen key tools. Leave the AC on for 2 minutes. After that you close the suction pipe, thick pipe, completely with Allen key tools. After that you turn off the AC from the main switch. After that open the hole on the back of the indoor unit. After the gas is locked, open the hole behind the indoor unit and open the pipe of the indoor unit with the help of sly range tools so that there is no problem in getting the indoor unit inside. Now take down the indoor unit. Now we will separate its entire parts as you can see. Now after this take out the swing flap with light hands. Now open the 3 screws below it. Now open its front cover and take out its filter net. Now both the screws above it are also taken out of the shell. Now holding the cover from the bottom, lift it upwards and take out the cover. Also remove both the screws of the AC drain assembly. Unscrew the screws of the swing motor of the drain assembly and separate the drain assembly by opening both the swing motor inside and remove the plastic lock and take out the drain assembly. Keep in mind that it is very fragile. Screws of swing motor of drain assembly, open both the swing motor inside and outside and separate the drain assembly. You can see there is a lot of dust in the AC. The air throw in AC is less and the air comes less and the sound of air cutting comes. Then you clean the AC in the same way. Believe me, your AC will work like new and the electricity bill will also be reduced. Air throw will also be enough. The garbage will increase. It is trapped inside. This garbage will come out only from the pressure of the jet pump. Open and separate the PCB from the indoor unit. Remove the fan motor wire from the PCB so that the PCB will come out easily. Unscrew the cover screw on top of the fan motor. Open the screw on one side of the cooling coil. We also open the screw of the strip above the cooling coil. Also take out the small cover of the screw behind the cooling coil. After that, separate the cooling coil and blower and fan motor. It will come out very easily. You can see all its open parts. First of all, start washing the cooling coil. Pay attention to take the open pipe of the cooling coil well so that water does not enter it. Note that the pressure in the jet pump is very high, and high pressure can damage the cooling coil. Clean it by reducing the pressure. Do not work in haste. Do it comfortably. When you are satisfied that the AC is clean, only then wash the other parts. Cooling coil is a very special part for the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it till all the garbage is removed. The air throw in AC is less and the air comes less and the sound of air cutting comes. Then you clean the AC in the same way. Believe me, your AC will work like new and the electricity bill will also be reduced. Air throw will also be enough. The garbage will increase. It is trapped inside. This garbage will come out only from the pressure of the jet pump. Now with the help of jet pump, let's clean the cooling coil with surf water. Also clean the cooling coil with clean water to remove surf water. Washing with surf smells good and AC feels fresh. You can see that there is a lot of garbage and dust in the blower. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure, the prop is not clean. The The blower is also washed with surf water. The small amount of debris accumulated in the blower will be removed from the surf water. Now wash the blower with clean water and keep it aside. Now the main cover of AC is also washed with the pressure of the jet pump. The pressure of the jet pump is very high so that there is no need to rub the cover and the cover gets cleaned easily. Now wash the main cover and all the parts with surf water and rub them a little. The little bit of garbage will be cleaned well. After washing all the parts of the AC, dry all the parts slightly and then wipe them thoroughly with a cotton cloth. After wiping all the parts, start fitting the indoor unit of AC. First of all, you install the AC fan motor. After that, you tighten the blower by putting it in the fan motor and putting rubber bush in the blower. After that, you also put the cooling coil. After that, tighten the screw by putting the cover on the top of the fan motor. Tighten all the screws of the cooling coil as well. After that, by connecting the PCB and the wire of the fan motor, tighten the PCB with the screw. The small cover at the back is also attached, and the screw of the strip above the small cover is also attached. The drain assembly and all its swings are attached to the motor and tightened. Now fix the screw by installing the drain assembly as well. Set the lock on the top of the front cover properly. And also put all its screws. Now let's attach its swing flap also. Keep in mind that swing flap is very weak. Take it out with light hand and apply it. And also put its filter neck. So friends, this was pump down service. In this you will not face gas problem, gas gets locked and gas cost will not come and your AC will start working like new. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.